3 simple journal ideas for beginners. First, oval composition method. Use tool to draw an oval and 2 half ovals in the journal. Then cover the half ovals with blush washi tape and tear off the overlapping parts. Place flower tapes diagonally at the left oval. Next, add text around the flowers and finally embellish with 2 character tapes. Second, cross-cross method. Start by crossing the base tape to create a cross shape, tearing off the overlapping parts. Then place small flower patterns on both sides of the crossed tape and add text at the intersection. Follow up by decorating the edge of the journal with small flower tape. And finally, decorate the blank space with your preferred patterns and text. Third, square composition method. Start by using a ruler and pen to draw squares of different sizes. Then fill the left squares with stickers of the same color scheme, trimming off excess. Add text in the blank space, and finally add character at the bottom left corner. Similarly, use stickers of the same color scheme to cover the right squares, removing the excess. Finally, add small elements and text in the blank space. Now let's see the final results. Which one do you prefer?